Hiya everyone, Amy here with amyswares, and I have a new product unboxing and review that I'm going to do for you today. So you're probably familiar with this brand, Ohuhu. I've used various of their other products. I started off with their alcohol markers, which are my main alcohol markers that I use now. I purchased them, but then they eventually reached out to me and sent me some other products like these acrylic markers and some other things over time. But this is a brand new set of 120, so many colors of acrylic markers. They appear to be, yeah, they're a brush tip, which is cool, and just the sheer quantity of colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox these and kind of talk through them with you and give you my preliminary review, and then you'll see me use them, you know, obviously in the future on cards and things like that. But this is just a preliminary unboxing. They did send me these for free, but I will give you my honest opinion. And yeah, I don't quote me on it, but I think they're giving me a coupon as well to share with you guys. So I will link that below in the video description box. If you expand and scroll down, you'll find a link to how to get your hands on this. But again, this is brand new. So by the time of watching this, they should be available to the public to purchase. So just gonna open it up here. Got this plastic on here I gotta take off. Very satisfying, of course, opening new goodies. I love the case. It's nice. Take this off. Cute little critter on there. I'm curious if this is accurate. A lot of times, it doesn't matter what brand, I feel like their swatch cards are never really very accurate, so we'll find out how accurate it actually is. And they usually give you like swatch sheets too, which I like. I'm gonna open this up or lift this up a little bit. Whoa. Okay. Now I think you don't have to shake these or prime these, which is cool. Wow. These are really neat. Okay. All right, so there's a user manual. Oh, I love that. So they give you a swatch sheet for white and black. I love that. Absolutely love that. Because you want to see how they look on both. So, oh, and they kind of fold up like a little card. That's fun. Okay, I like that. That's really neat. Okay, and then an acrylic pen user manual. Shake the markers well. Oh, okay, so you shake them, but you don't have to prime them, I think. Shake the marker well before first use to mix the ink evenly. Y'all, my eyes are starting to go. I'm not 50 yet, but I'm not 40, and my eyes are showing it. It doesn't like the little font anymore. Okay, each set comes with a color chart. Just skimming over. Okay, I don't think it's anything rocket science. Multiple languages. Oh, look at that. There's even some neon. That's fun. Okay. Okay, so I see these caps and I get really excited, and I hope that they're actually true to these colors, because these are nice, like, muted, pretty colors. So I'm curious. I'm going to take one out right off the bat here. Okay. So we have... Okay, it doesn't say the name. It doesn't say the name on the barrel. It just says conforms to. It does show how full it is, though. That's kind of cool. It's definitely a different case shape. I think I have other ones. Yeah, I have other ones from this brand, and it seems like they've kind of modified the style. It does have the GG46. So, okay, so it's not like color names. It's just code names. It's got this little, I don't know if you can see this. It's got this little textured tip here. Okay, so I'm going to shake it. And I grabbed some cardstock here. I don't want to start swatching just yet. I want to see. I just can't get over the sheer amount of these. I've never seen such a big set. I mean, yeah, you can get like 120 in alcohol markers and stuff, but acrylic? That's crazy. Okay. So I shook it up. Definitely a brush tip. I always like to look in the cap, because sometimes when you shake it, you could see if they like splatter all up in there, and it doesn't appear to have. Okay, so that's... Whoa. Okay. That is definitely opaque, and look, it's accurate. Okay, I'm really excited about that. That's, I mean, it's not exact, but that is pretty close, and that is closer than I expected. And I like that because it's not just, you know, you'll get acrylic markers and they're like the bright primary colors and stuff like that, but I love these more muted like earth tones and stuff. Okay, this makes me really excited. Ooh, this looks like a pale skin tone. Let's see how accurate this is. Like a Caucasian pale skin tone, it looks like. Oh, better shake it. Gonna shake it. This is exciting, guys. I can't believe this color range. If this is as accurate as, okay, no splatter in there, that's good. Okay, that's very pale. That's very pale. So this is a little bit lighter, but still pretty close. It's impressive. Okay. All right, so that's very exciting. I'm gonna just take a little look-see through these colors now that I think that they might actually be. Actually, let's try a neon a second. I want to see if this is like a true neon. So I'm gonna shake it up. No splatter like that. I'm just trying to gauge whether it's like supposed to come all the way down into here. Okay, that's bright. I don't know if my camera will show how bright it is, but that's pretty, dang, that's pretty accurate. Okay. Okay, Ohuhu, I see you. I see you. Okay, I'm gonna try, let's try a color maybe that's seldom accurate. Oh, this one. Okay, so this is like a really cool olive green. Oh my gosh, my daughter is gonna freak out and totally want to steal these from me. But she does like proper art. Like she has a sketchbook and she'll use my acrylic markers too, and she'll just draw the most beautiful things. I just incorporate it into my cards. Okay, very curious. Okay, that's accurate, and that is juicy. Oh my gosh. Okay, make sure. Got a little bit on the inside there. I'm trying to figure out if that was me doing that. Miss Shaky Hands here. Goodness, I need to eat a sandwich. Pretty shaky. Okay, look at that. Okay, hands off to you already, because I'm going to be honest. My first thought when I saw that it was 120, I'm like, it's going to be a ton of duplicates, basically. They're going to look alike. Like, for example, let's see. Okay, so this shows it's going to be pretty close, right? I think it even looks probably closer in person than it does on the screen. But I was sitting there thinking, like, come on, it's going to be just a bunch of duplicate colors because you're not going to truly get a range of paint like this. But, okay. All right, I'm impressed. I'm not just blowing smoke here. This is kind of exciting. Look at that. Okay. So, exceeding my expectations. This is just so many. I can't believe it. I think what I'll do, as to not keep you here all day, is I'll probably swatch these off screen with the black and white, because it's going to take forevsies. And then I will come back on and show you the swatch sheet, and then maybe we'll compare it to this and see how it does. But so you might wonder what is going to make this a little bit different than other ones on the market. There's a lot of them on the market. I have various different kinds that, you know, are good too. Right off the bat, what I can tell you is a little bit different on this is it doesn't have that hard nib. Maybe you like the hard nib. Maybe you want the hard nib for, I gotta stop saying hard nib. What is that? Maybe you want that for your artistic purposes, but if you want like a brush tip, then not all of them have that. So that's something a little bit unique. This range is pretty unmatched. I've never seen an acrylic marker set this big, not 120 of them with this sort of range, and then also including fluorescent. That's kind of crazy pants to me. And the most impressive to me is how close it's seeming to be to the cap, because I feel like so often they're not. It's a fun sound. if you can hear that. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm really having a hard time with my attention span today. Anyway, matching the cap is everything. I think that's huge. In fact, I think this might even be a little bit better than their acrylic markers. Like, their acrylic markers don't match the caps as well as these do. I mean, they're alcohol markers, I'm sorry. I feel like their alcohol marker caps aren't as close as these appear to be at this cursory glance. Now, granted, I've only done a handful, but unless I got lucky and picked. Actually, you know what? Let's do this one. Let's just do this one for giggles, because this is another one that, look, this is like a really deep, like a peacocky teal. And I'm really curious about this. But I'm a little gobsmacked. Look at that. Yep, that matches. That is pretty darn close. Okay, I'm just impressed. I'm genuinely impressed. I didn't expect them to be this good. I'm really curious to see how they look on black. You can see these are definitely opaque. I mean, there's no peer through at all with the paper. This is solid, like you're painting with acrylic paint, but in a marker form with a brush tip. So very cool. I think this is going to be really competitive with other ones on the market, especially with the sheer size. So let me get to swatching, and I'll come back on and give you my final thoughts. But I'm quite impressed so far. I'm not gonna lie, this is a little surprising. So I'm very excited. I'm very glad they sent this to me, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. That actually took quite a long time to swatch all these, but it was fun. Just did it while I was watching a little episode of Love on the Spectrum. It's a fun show. Anyway, I got through all of them. I was going to read the instructions again to see if you actually need to shake it. I think that's what it said, but I found that you actually didn't even necessarily have to shake them. So maybe that's to mix, yeah, that's to mix the ink evenly. So it says to do it for that reason, but it did come out without even shaking it. So I guess shake it for that purpose. But here are the swatches. Like I said, it took a long time. So it's really interesting. Some of them look pretty similar next to each other. Like these two are pretty close. But then, or actually, you can see they look pretty close on black, but then there's a little bit of a difference on the white. So there is some, I wouldn't go as far as to say duplicate. There are some that are very similar to others. But if you, I don't know, have a keen eye, you can see maybe one's a little bit more warm, more cool, things like that. And then there's also kind of a variance from black to white cardstock as well. But you can see this is a huge range. I absolutely love the more, I don't know, the more muted colors, like the kind of skin tone feeling ones and the ones that just aren't run-of-the-mill kind of primary colors. I think it's really neat that there's some like fluorescent ones as well. That's very different. They were very comfortable to hold in the hand. They were very thick. You can see how opaque it is on the black. It's pretty impressive. So you can use them on both the black and white. Overall, I'm really impressed. I'm surprised at how close they are to the cap color. That's huge to me. And just the sheer range is impressive. So if you're in the market, I can honestly say, yeah, this would be a good choice for you. And it comes in this nice case. I mean, it's not a huge case. It's heavy. There's a lot of them. But I like the size of the pen. I like how it feels in the hand. I like that it's brush tip. So thank you very much, Ohuhu, for sending these to me. I know my daughter is really going to enjoy using them too for her art. So I will, like I said, I'll link everything in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down and check out my coupon. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I should be getting one, so that'll save you some cash on this set if you're interested. But thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, please do hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I will catch you next time. Thanks. Bye.